this is the balance reaction in part 1, which is the balance the redox reaction in acidic solution. So we have chromium OH3 plus chlorine O3 comes chromium O4 2 negative plus chlorine ion. So step 1 is determine the oxidation number. So in OH we have negative 2 times 3 times 3, and then in the chromium we have X times 1. So negative 2 times 3 is equal to negative 6 plus 3, and then X. So X minus 6 plus 3 is equal to 0. So we have to find a number that is equal to 0. So 3 minus 6 plus 3 is equal to 0. So in chlorine and oxygen, we have negative 2 times 3 and X times 6. So X plus negative 2 times 3 is equal to negative 6. So X plus negative 6 is equal to negative 1. So we have to find a number that is equal to negative 1. So we have 5 minus 6 is equal to negative 1. So dito naman, here in oxygen, we have negative 2 times 4. Dito X times 1 plus, then negative 2 times 4 is equal to negative 8. So X plus negative 8. So X plus negative 8 is equal to negative 2. So we need to find a number that is equal to negative 2. So we have negative 6 minus negative 6 plus negative 6 plus negative 8 is equal to negative 2. So chlorine is understood that it is a negative 1 because of this negative sign. So in step 2, we are going to identify the half reaction or redox reaction by using an arrow. So here in chromium hydroxide plus chlorine and oxygen is called the chromium, oxygen, and chlorine ion. So we have chromium here and here. So we have 3 minus 6 is equal to negative 3. So it lost 3 electrons. So here in chlorine there are 5 and negative 1. So 5 minus negative 1 is equal to 6 electrons. So it gains 6 electrons. And then we are going to find now the LCM or the least common multiple in this equation. So it is equal to 6. So we are going to find a number that is, if we multiply here, it is equal to 6. So here we are going to multiply times 1. So it will become 6. 6 times 1 is equal to 6. So we are going to multiply here 2. So 3 times 2 is equal to 6. So in step 5, we are going to balance all elements except H and O, or the hydrogen or the oxygen. So palagan natin na hindi muna tayo nag-balance ng oxygen at ang hydrogen. So we have chromium 2. So the 2 here is galing sa ating minultiply dito para makuha yung least common multiple na 6. So sa chromium meron tayong 2 at 2 din dito. Sa chlorine meron tayong 1. So kahit hindi na natin sulatan ng 1 yan, understood na 1 yan. So 1, tapos dito 1 din. So check natin sa oxygen at hydrogen. So sa oxygen we have 9 because 3 plus 3 times 2 or pwede din 3 times 2 is equal to 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. So, dito, yung una nating nakuha is 8. Kasi, meron tayo ditong 4 times 2, 8. So, hindi muna natin pansinin itong mga numbers na to kasi sabihin ko sa inyo kung saan yan nanggaling. So, dito muna tayo sa first. Kasi ito naman sa hydrogen, meron tayong 6. So, 3 times 2, 6. So, dito, 0 siya. So, para maging balance siya, kailangan nating pumunta sa step 6. Na ang ibig sabihin ay mag-add ng H2O para mabalance ang oxygen at hydrogen. So, mag-add tayo ng H2O dito. Water molecule. And then, the hydrogen becomes 9. Oh, di pala. Kulang pa rin ng hydrogen. So, kailangan nating mag-add ng other hydrogen. So, we have to get 4H plus ion. So, 4 times 2. 4 plus 2, 6. 6. Ay, sorry guys. Ang gimin ko pala yung oxygen. So, oxygen here is 4 times 2, 8 plus 1, 9. So, balance na sila. Check na natin ito kasi balance na. Sa hydrogen, dapat maging 6 yung ating answer. So, mag-add tayo ng 4H dito. So, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So, balance na din. So, para sa ating step 7, the final check to make sure everything balances. So, kailangan nating balance lahat ng solution or equation. So, the number of atoms. So, we have chromium 2, then is dito chlorine 1 and chlorine 1, oxygen 9, and hydrogen 6 and hydrogen 6. This is correct. So the total charges is meron tayong 0 plus negative 1 is equal to negative 4 plus 1 plus 4. So 0 plus negative 1 is equal to negative 1 and negative 4 plus 1 plus 4 is equal to negative 1. So our answer is correct.